tucked away within the seeds we've sown.
We're packing up our things to find a place called home. The song the Spirit sings under the golden dawn.
We thank the hearts that stay through every test and turn. The courage you display is grace we've come to earn.
You held the heavy door when we were lost in doubt.
What we are searching for is what you talked about.
It's time to say goodbye to friends we've known so long. No need to question why or where we now belong.
We thank the hearts that stayed through every test and turn. The sacrifice you made is all we've lived to learn.
The sacrifice you made is all we've lived to learn. The sacrifice you made is all